Welcome back to Gadget Nest. Today we're diving into the brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro, Google's most powerful flagship yet. Packed with cutting-edge AI features, a stunning design, and next-level performance, this phone might just redefine what a smartphone can do in 2025. Let's get started. The Pixel 10 Pro continues Google's sleek and minimalistic design language, but with major refinements. It comes with a slimmer aluminum frame, a more durable Gorilla Glass Victus 3, and a redesigned camera bar that looks futuristic and elegant. And yes, it's available in bold new colors including Midnight Blue and Aurora Silver. On the front, we have a 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with an adaptive 1Hz to 144Hz refresh rate. It's brighter, sharper, and smoother than ever before. With peak brightness over 3,000 nits, outdoor visibility is simply unmatched, and the HDR10 Plus support makes videos pop with incredible detail. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro is powered by the new Google Tensor G4 chip paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. This means lightning-fast performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using advanced AI tools. And with Android 15 on board, the software is deeply optimized to give you the purest Google experience possible. Now, let's talk about cameras, Google's strongest weapon. The Pixel 10 Pro comes with a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10x periscope telephoto lens. But the real magic happens with Google's AI. Features like AI Night Vision Plus, Cinematic Mode 2.0, and real-time background replacement make your photos and videos look professionally shot. Selfies are handled by a 50-megapixel front camera with ultra-clear skin tones. This is where Pixel 10 Pro shines. It brings on-device AI tools that let you remove unwanted objects from photos, generate wallpapers, translate calls live in real time, and even create AI-powered video summaries. Google is taking smartphone AI to the next level, and the Pixel 10 Pro is leading the charge. The Pixel 10 Pro packs a 5,500 mAh battery with 120-watt wired fast charging and 65 watts wireless charging. That means you can go from 0 to 100% in under 25 minutes. Plus, Google has introduced new AI battery optimization, giving you up to 2 days of use on a single charge. So, is the Pixel 10 Pro worth it? Absolutely. With its jaw-dropping display, incredible cameras, next-gen AI features, and premium build, this phone easily ranks as one of the best flagships of 2025. But what do you think? Would you choose the Pixel 10 Pro over the iPhone 16 Pro or Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Gadget Nest. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next big tech review. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.